Hello, and welcome to day one of my 30-day challenge. Today's video started a couple weeks ago when I was inspired while watching a Pat Le video. In this video, Pat took and challenged you to build a goblet in under 5 minutes. He used a lathe, and I've watched a good dozen other people or more use lathes to build their goblets. I thought this was a really cool idea. I headed out in my shop and I realized I don't own a lathe. So I went back to my study and I thought about it some more. I decided that I could use a drill press, a bandsaw, and a couple of sanders, and I could complete it without having a lathe. If you'd like to see how I did this, please stick around. thank you for watching my video. This is more of a shot glass than it is a goblet, but it's got a base, it's got a stem, it's got the vessel to hold the liquid, and I don't believe it's any smaller than Pat's was. I was able to complete it without using a lathe. I was able to just barely make it underneath the 5-minute time period. I'm happy enough with my results. I have decided that being this is more of a shot glass than it is a goblet, and I have a bottle of whiskey with my name on it, that I should christen it properly. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.